Hey, I'm Rachel, the CEO of Intrinio. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to leverage the power of Python and the Intrinio API to fetch financial data seamlessly into Chat GPT. Intrinio provides a comprehensive collection of market data, and with the Intrinio Python SDK, accessing this data becomes a breeze. Whether you're a financial analyst, a data scientist, or just an enthusiast looking to explore the world of financial data, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First of all, what is Intrinio? Intrinio is a leading financial data provider that offers a wide range of data feeds, including real-time and historical market data, company fundamentals, news, and more. Our API allows developers to access this data programmatically and build powerful financial applications. With the Intrinio Python SDK, integrating data into your Python projects becomes seamless and straightforward. Okay, let's talk about prerequisites. Before we dive into the implementation, make sure you have the following set up on your system. First, you need to have Python 3 installed on your machine. Next, you'll need an Intrinio account with an API key. You can sign up for a free trial on the Intrinio website to get one. To get started, we need to install the Intrinio Python SDK. So open up your terminal and execute the following command. All right, with the Intrinio Python SDK installed, we can now proceed to write some code to pull financial data into Chat GPT. Let's start by pulling historical stock prices for a specific company. We will use the Security API from the Intrinio SDK to achieve this. First, make sure to import the necessary modules. Next, initialize the API client by setting your API key. Just replace your Intrinio API key with the actual API key you obtained from your Intrinio account. Now, let's write a function to fetch historical stock prices for a given company and date range. In this function, we use the getSecurityStockPrices method from the Security API class to retrieve the historical stock prices for the specified company or ticker within this specified date range. Now, let's use the function to fetch stock prices for Apple from January 1st, 2023 to July 31st, 2023. Run this code and you should see a list of dates along with the corresponding closing prices for Apple within the specified date range. Besides fetching stock prices, we can also use the Intrinio API to retrieve detailed information about a specific company. So let's create a function to get company information. Using this function, we can fetch information about Apple. Upon running this code, you'll get detailed information about Apple, including its name, description, and CEO. Okay, now you know exactly how to use Python and the Intrinio API to fetch financial data into Chat GPT. We covered the basics of installing the Intrinio Python SDK, fetching historical stock prices, and retrieving basic company information. Now, the Intrinio API provides a vast array of financial data, opening up numerous possibilities for analysis and data-driven decision-making. You can further enhance this implementation by exploring other data endpoints offered by the Intrinio API, such as news, financial statements, and economic data. So go ahead and start experimenting with financial data and leverage the power of Python, Intrinio, and ChatGPT to gain valuable insights in the world of finance. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and happy coding.